In today's video, we are going to show you how to play 4-player chess on chess.com using your phone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is right now, chess variants like 4-player chess are not available directly inside the chess.com app that you have installed on your mobile device. But the thing is, don't worry because you can still play them using your mobile browser. So, I want you to open a new tab on your mobile device's browser and then head over to chess.com and log in using your credentials. Now, on the top left corner of your screen, I want you to click the 3 horizontal lines and click the play button and then select variants. Now, all I have to do is super simple. It may take a little while to load. Go to the search by title if you want, but as you may notice, the 4-player chess is already part of the most popular in-demand style of chess here in chess.com. All I have to do is click on it. You have multiple options here on the drop-down. You can choose from a 10 to 15, 4 minutes, 1:1. It's up to you. You can choose from a modern, classic, BYG, RG, and more. But if you wanted to go for that team option instead, you can do so. And then click the play button. Remember to use stable internet connection because 4 players is equivalent to more moves. And then try the teams first, which is easier for beginners. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you play 4-player chess on chess.com using your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.